Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on VIVO iQOO Z10. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see logo on your screen, and here you have to use volume buttons to move to recovery mode, and then press power button to select your choice. And now you have to select clear data and select clear all data, and now click OK. And then select return, and now you can go back and click restart to go back to your Android system, and then click OK. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.